They always show soccer players drinking matcha tea before games.
I guess it gets you up.
It gets you up, but it like lasts long enough. It gets you through the game. So anyway, I was like, oh, I didn't know that. Hi, this is Wendy with LuckyVitamin. My lucky pick is organic matcha powder from Navitas Organics. So the reason I started drinking matcha tea is that I have not slept a full night in a year and a half. I have 2 kids. I know it's not the worst thing to not be sleeping, and this is a season of our lives. However, I was dealing with it by drinking 4 or 5 cups of coffee a day, and I really wanted to cut back. What I started doing is still drinking my coffee in the morning, but in the afternoon, I switched to a matcha latte. Something a lot of people don't know about matcha is that it has the same amount of caffeine as a cup of coffee. It actually has a little bit more. However, it's delivered to you with an amino acid called L-theanine, which keeps you calm while you get the energy from the caffeine. And what that does is creates a longer lasting, mellower, more stable energy than the usual jolt and crash you get with coffee. So for me, I can have just one of these lattes in the afternoon, and it takes me all the way through my kids' bedtime. I used to do 2-3 cups of coffee in that time period. Now, the flavor, if you're a coffee drinker, this is similarly earthy, but it's a little bit more grassy because you actually get the whole leaf when you drink matcha. That's why I like to make it into a latte. Gives it a little bit of a mellower, sweeter flavor. So the way to do that is just take 1 teaspoon of this, you mix it with hot water, it makes a nice paste, then heat up coconut milk or almond milk, whichever one you like, mix that together. If you have a foamer or a frother, that just makes it perfect. And then you can enjoy it as your afternoon drink. My lucky pick today is Navitas Organics Matcha Powder. Go pick some up. Thanks for watching.